Hello, it's 4:34 p.m. Japan time on Friday, May 2nd, 2025, and tomorrow starts the long Golden Week holiday in Japan. Even though the futures market will still trade on Monday, the mood is already turning into holiday atmosphere. Today, the Nikkei rose by 1% to close at 36831. But despite the rise, the volatility index also went up to 26.74. I felt like the market wanted to push above 37,000, but in the end, it just moved sideways. Interestingly, while the index was strong, many individual stocks were actually down. So the strange was more about the index than the broader market. In the bond market, Japan's JGB VIX dropped to 3.39 and the 13-year yield is around 2.688%. Bloomberg reported that Japan's bond market is calmed down again. As for tariff negotiations, not much detail has been leveled out, but the U.S. may be open to removing tariff on cars and steel. Still, the talk did not seem smooth. Japan reported pushed back hard, especially with no progress on defense budget talks. So even though the mood is risk on, I feel like it's only on the surface. Tonight we have the US job report, which could shake things up. Deeper down, I see several risks. 1. Trump announced a new tariff on April 3, just after bond market had calmed down. I believe he timed it the way, disrupting markets but not destroying them. 2. Earning momentum, EPS momentum remarks weak. Uniqlo April sales was also disappointing. 3. Food price feel lower, but that does not yet show up in company profit. 4. The 90-day pause on tariff means nothing is resolved. July could bring tensions again. 5. China's real economic condition remain unclear. Also, gold prices are rising again, now around $3,260, which signal lingering market fear. A big institutional trade today was a far out of the money put option, above 160 million yen worth in 1 hour. That shows some investors are quickly hedging for a downturn. So while the market looks strong under the surface, people are preparing for risk. Some may even be buying futures to lift the index just so they can cheaply buy puts. In short, I think we are in a fragile surface risk market. The calm feelings could be misleading, like snow just be an avalanche. Everyone is different, but what do you feel? Are we truly in a bullish phase, or is something hidden? Golden Week is starting. I may post again because I love the markets, but I hope you get a good break too. Thank you for listening. Please follow if you liked it, and see you next time.